Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss a new problem in this Python programming series, that is nothing but print multiplication table for user enter number and use this for loop. So in this previous video we have discussed a problem how to check either enter number is a even or odd and how to print any even numbers and odd numbers and how to store them in a separate list. Now in this program we are going to print a multiplication table of a entered number. First we have to take the input from this user, or else we have to define. The better way is take input from this user. In this format we have taken input from this user and execute the for loop. Execute the for loop and give the end values in this loop. It is nothing but the I values are in the range of 1 to 11. 11 means it excludes the end value starting ending. It is nothing but a 11. It excludes this end value and I value is in the range of 1 to 10 values. Now how to print? Nothing but num into I. It means that, like example, consider user entered as a 5. Then how it prints? It prints that 5 into 1, 5 into 2, 5 into 3, 5 into 4. In that format it prints 5 ones, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20 in that format. But it does not look like a multiplication table, right? Let us modify this print statement. Okay, let us see. Use this formatted text and in a different way. It really looks like a multiplication table by using this. How? Let's see. Let us run this program and it asks that enter a number. So let's try for 4 and it gives that 4 into 1 is equals to 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20 in that format. Okay, now it looks like a real multiplication table, right? Yeah, it looks like a real multiplication table. In the better way, used to print what it is. Now let's run this program. So it is very simple to print a multiplication table. Use the for loop and print the multiplication table. Multiplication table of 7. This is this. Okay. Now if the problem statement contain that print a multiplication table of 7 in the range from 3 to 9. What we have to do in that condition? So very simple. And what's our problem? Print table print table in certain range only. How we have to print? It is very simple. We have to modify this range. It means that we have to take input from this user. Consider a variable start and take input from this user. But enter a start value and we have to specify the end value. Okay, for that use the variable end, nothing but int of input, enter a end value. Now we have to give in the range nothing but start and we have to specify that end. We have to include that in, we have to add +1. This how we have to modify the given program. Now it asks that enter a number. Let us print a 10 table and we have to print the 10 table from 5 to 9. How we gonna print that? 5 and enter the end value as 9. We have get the 5 table, 10 table from 5 to 9. This is the way we have to restrict these I values from the user entered values. That's how we print the multiplication table. Okay, let us decode this code. It's not, num is nothing but enter a number. We have to take input from this user, and the start and the end are nothing but the range, the boundaries to print the multiplication table. As we shown that in this program, the boundaries are 5 and the end value is the 9. Okay, in that range we have to print the multiplication table. Okay, and for I in range, I is nothing but a integer. I values are in this range. It means that from starting to end, we know that we enter the start value as the 5 and we have entered that the end value as the 9, but we used end plus 1 for this 10. Actually, in this Python programming, it exclude this end value. That is the reason why we use end plus 1, and we are going to print the multiplication table. This is the way we print the multiplication table. And then thank you. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel for more exclusive content.